Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today I am going to do my monthly niche research videos where we're going to be designing a t-shirt, a journal interior, or a journal cover. This month for June we have graduation, Father's Day, and summer as our keywords. So you'll get 3 videos on these 3 topics, keywords on 3 different designs for the month of June. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. This is just to show you guys a variation of different ways you can design different things with keywords. Again, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a video. So I'm going to go over to my handy dandy wheel of names and I'm going to click the spin to see what we'll be designing first. And it looks like graduation. So I'm excited. So I'll go ahead and graduation. And I think I want to do a t-shirt. So I'm going to go over to Pinterest to get some ideas because I don't think I've, created a graduation t-shirt or whatever. So let's go to our search bar. Let's look up graduation shirts. I feel like we should do college, but let's get some ideas. Sydney's grad squad. Oh, I like this. Senior 21. I want to try to recreate this on a t-shirt. So let's go over. So this is my t-shirt. I got 5,000 by 5,000. I think I'm probably gonna use this font. I like this font. I'm gonna delete that. Make this bigger. All right, change the color. My high school was like navy blue and gray. So I'm gonna go ahead and write the word out senior. Gonna duplicate that. Duplicate that again. And let's look at it. So it's like 2 at the top and then 4 at the bottom. So let's see if we can work this out. Oh, so it says 2021 in the senior thing. Okay, so 2, 2, 2. Gotcha. Oh, because it got the 2. Smart. So we're going to have. So you double click on here. Dang, I might not be able to just do it with this font. Let me see. Let me go over here and get another font. All right, so let me grab another font. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna start all over. This is what happens, y'all, Things don't always go as planned. Okay, so I lost the font. Okay, there we go. So it might not look exactly like that one, but we can try, okay? And maybe it has to be 4. So I love that I can do this and y'all can see that I am not perfect. Sometimes it takes me a while to get through some stuff too. So listen, I'm just going to do 4 and then I'm going to do 2021. So double this down. Then we're going to copy all these up. And then for this one, I'm just going to put the 2. Maybe we have to make this 0. This was 0. So that's how ours will come out. So I'm gonna do the navy blue. Then I'm gonna do this one in a. I'm gonna look for a dark gray, and then I'm gonna make it solid. So let me look for gray. I don't know where gray be hiding. I like a gray. Use that one. And then we're going to change the font to the one that stands out like that. And now we have our senior 2021 shirt. So that is our t-shirt for graduation, our design. So that was pretty easy. Really, really cute shirt. So if you do t-shirts and you do t-shirts based on where you live or certain different things, this could be definitely something that you can do for that brand, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick t-shirt and niche monthly niche research, or what is it? I forgot. Monthly niche design. I can't remember the name of my own playlist, but I'll be also doing a journal interior and journal cover, so make sure you check out the rest of the videos. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.